Hola, mi amigos y amigas. Esta es Railfan número 1. I'm sorry. Anyways, good tidings, Chelsea's Railfan number 1, and welcome back to my Wii Walkthrough on Matador's Tall Tales. Now, in the last episode, we did Unidentified Flying Mater. Now, in this story, we are going to do El Matador. I'm all dressed for the occasion, so let's go. Now this one is going to take place in Spain. We're going to be fighting some bulls, or in this case, bulldozers, in this dimension. Now in this game, it's kind of like the Mater the Greater matching, or Spot the Car. But anyways, this one is an actual spotting the fans and such. Finding all of the... trying to find my words. Trying to find the matching cars. You know what I mean. Why can't we get those types of cinematography cards? Cinematography cards. Cutscenes, I mean. Alright, here we go. Nope. 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 Oh! Yes! Nope. Oh wait, didn't I see? Yes, there you are. Glad you can make it today. Oh, nice! Oh, nope. Oh, there we go. Wow! Nice. Okay. Wow, right off the bat. That was just a lucky guess. Muchas gracias, mi amigo. De nada, señor. I just hope you don't get into arguments, because that's what twins kind of do, based on my experience. Woohoo! Oh, no. Nice! I think there are 3 rounds to this. I may be wrong. El Matador. Ah, thought that was it. Oh, nice! Nice, nice, nice. Oh, wait! Didn't I see? Yes, there you are. Yeah, I might not make this one. Ah! Yeah, at this point I'm just guessing. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it, I'm sorry! Oh well. Woohoo! Muy bien! Alright, next game. Let's go. Now in this one, it's going to be capture the flag. And this one, you're just going to be going against some CPUs and computers. Well, basically the NPC characters. In this case, forklifts. Any moment now. Any There we go. Alright, so 1 to reverse, 2 to go forward, steer left and right. Oh, press A to boost when the time comes. And then one of the forklifts is going to have the flags. Your job is to take the flag and have it with you for as long as you can.
That was one determined bulldozer. Nothing would stop him from getting at that cake.
Computer has the cape. Okay. Mine. Woo! Go, 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 go! So here's a fun fact. It's said that bulls hate the color red, but that's not really the case. It's just a myth. Bulls are being, like, quite territorial creatures, so it's not the color of the cape, it's actually the movement. Toro! 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 Ole! Aha! Computer has the cape. Alright, where you at? Oh, there you are! Oh, no! Mine! No! Mine! I'm only having a good time by avoiding getting murdered by the bulldozers! Go, go, go! Oof! Go, 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 go! Come on, just a little longer, just a little longer. Yes! Ole! Sí! Excelente! Alright. Mine. Okay, bolt. Bolt. The longer you have the flag, the more points you're going to collect. Woohoo! Excelente! Ole! Muchas gracias. Woohoo! Very nice. All right. Next game. Let's do this. Now in the next one, we are going to be collecting some roses in the arena. And try not to get hit by the bulldozers. So just 1 to reverse, 2 to go forward. Basically the similar controls like the last game. A rose! Gotta make sure no bulldozers come.
Let's cheer on our Matadors as they try to collect the most roses without being bullied by the bulldozers.
Look at how small the ring Nader's in. What? Woo. See, in real life, one of the goals in bullfighting is you gotta stay in the ring for as long as you can. That is awfully a tiny ring. Oh! Oh! Oh, wow! Usually I'm just going in this direction because that's the direction the bulldozers are going to come through. Sometimes I can overtake them, but I don't want to. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, nothing too much. Oh, here come golden roses. Those are worth extra. Oh man, I'm missing them. Go, 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 go. Yep, got him. Ouch! Oh no, he's going the other way! Dodge it, dodge it, dodge it, dodge it! Ouch! Dad, blast it! I think 3 bulldozers are coming now. Another thing about bulls in real life, they don't really see the color red. I think in this case, bulls are blind, like colorblind. Okay. Muchas gracias, señor Matador. Ouch! Alright, that was 2. I think 3 are coming at the same time. I know El Matador has gotten 3 balls. Oh no! Ah! Oh no, only 2. Ouch! Whoa! Ouch!
I ain't never seen that many roses tossed into the rain. Almost looked till there'd been bulldozers there. Smells daggum sweet.
Whew. Goodness.
Hey, you didn't lose. I guess that means you won.
Yay! Goodness, why is my... Alright, sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my camera. Whew! Alright, next game, let's go. Yeah, my camera's getting old. It's been serving me since 2017. Alright, now in this next one, we're really going to be fighting the bulldozers now. We really get to move the cape around. Alright, so we gotta wave it around. Then we gotta quick time it by pressing the B.
I ain't seen anybody that steam since the time I honked my horn in the field sleeping tractor while teasing Frank about how old and rusty he was.
Alright, so wave, wave. Toro, Toro, Toro! Toro, Toro, Toro! Okay! Woohoo! Muy bien! Toro, Toro!
I could tell he was getting smart.
Ole! Whew! Ole! Toro, vámonos, Toro! Wow! Ole! Woohoo! Muy bien! Muchas gracias, señor Mentor. Ah, bronze. That's alright. Alright, on to the next and final game. Now, this one's probably going to be a challenge. This one, I really get to move around and fight the bulls. Not just move the cape, but also move myself. And I'm going to make the bulls slip into some oil that I'm going to leak out. Mater will even demonstrate himself. And it's just like the little rose game we did. However, with the exception of having to press the A button to leak out the oil.
Senores y senoritas, the true measure of a matador is if they can stay in the ring. Only the greatest matadors can last against those bulldozers.
Bulldozers. Alright, that's another thing. You got to stay in the ring. Ooh. There we go. You'll only get points if you manage to... You only manage to get points if you stay in the ring. Ole! There we go. Usually I'm not too good at this, but... Woo! Goodness, goodness, goodness. Ole! Excelente! Let's see how well I can handle with 2.
Then more bulldozers.
Oh!
Folks didn't know what was gonna happen next.
Ooh! Oh! Oh! Ouch! Oh! Oh! Stay in the ring, stay in the ring, stay in the ring, stay in the ring! ¡Ole! Muy bien! Oh, good, 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 good. Now, triple the trouble. Ouch! Ow! Oh! At this point, I'm just gonna dodge. Ole! Now you gotta stay in the ring. Woohoo! Excelente! We did it, mi amigos! Oh, that was a close shave, not gonna lie. And bronze, okay, not bad. We still got a trophy. Alright, and with that, we have officially completed the games in the Tall Tale El Matador. Gracias, señores y señoras. Muchas gracias. Alright, well that concludes this not reaction. Hola! That concludes this little walkthrough. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and this is Railfan #1, and I'll meet you at the next station. Hasta luego, mi amigos.